What's the meaning of creepy? Creepy. Creepy.
Creepy. Creepy. Creepy is an adjective used to describe something that causes an uneasy feeling of fear or disgust, often in a supernatural or inexplicable way. It can also refer to behavior or actions that are strange or unsettling. People may perceive something as creepy if it is too familiar or too alien, or if it violates social norms in a disturbing way. Overall, creepy connotes a sense of discomfort or unease that is difficult to articulate but impossible to ignore, leaving one with a sense of foreboding or revulsion.